Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unsave post in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now go to Saved option. And here you can see the post that you had saved. Now click on the three horizontal dots of the post that you wanna unsave. Click on the Unsave option, and if you're sure, click on the Remove option. So that is how you can unsave post in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.